Have you ever plugged in your iPhone, left it charging, and completely forgot to unplug it? We all do it, but it's actually bad for your battery health. Today, I'll show you a simple automation that makes your iPhone talk and notify you when your battery hits a specific percentage, like 80%. Super useful, super easy. So, what is the solution? A smart automation that alerts you exactly when your iPhone reaches the level you want, for example, 80%. Now for this, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap on Automation. Then tap the plus icon on the top right. Scroll down the list and select Battery Level. Now choose the percentage you want. For example, I'll choose 80%. Below, you will see three options: equals, rises above, falls below 80%. You can choose equals or rises above. Both work for this purpose. Make sure Run Immediately is turned on. Then tap Next. Now you'll add what happens when your battery hits 80%. Tap Add Action. Search for Speak Text, then tap it. Here, tap the text field and type whatever you want your iPhone to say. For example, "That's enough," or "Unplug your iPhone now." You can also tap the arrow to customize rate, pitch, language, and voice. Once you're happy with it, tap Done. Now, whenever your iPhone is charging and reaches the percentage you selected, like 80%, it will automatically speak the phrase you wrote.
That's enough.
No more forgetting, no more overcharging, and your battery health will thank you. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and let me know in the comments what automation you want me to cover next.